Hello everyone, for today's vlog, I'm going to make a channel review on how they earn on their YouTube channel. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell for my latest upload. The aim of this video is to serve an inspiration to all small YouTuber and to all viewers. Disclaimer, all digits you see are purely estimated, and for the reference, I use Social Blade, a public website which anyone can check nor access the site. I'm currently here in Social Blade in the channel of KC or Kistine KC Concepcion, a celebrity here in Philippines. So as you can see, we're going to make a channel review on how much she earned on her YouTube channel. So as you can see, she has 56 upload videos with 328,000 subscribers with a total video views of 13,734,434, and the country is USA. Channel type is not stated, and user created December 6, 2019. And then you can see the Social Blade grade, so it's letter B positive, and Social Blade rank is 47,813. Subscriber rank is 80,523. Video views rank is 352,271. Country rank is 17,004, and there's no rank for the channel type. So as you can see, subscriber for the last 30 days is 14,000, so mababa siya ng 72% compared to the last month. And her estimated earnings of her estimated monthly earnings of $258 to $4,100. And then video views for the last 30 days is 1 million something, so mababa din siya ng 49.9%. And then total subscriber weekly, so the graph is working good, and recently the performance of her channel is so cool. And the estimated yearly earnings of $3,100 to $49,400. So it's a huge, guys. And then total video views weekly, so makikita nyo din, you can see the graph also. Then we're going to compute how much she earned on her YouTube channel. So meron siyang monthly, which is the minimum and the maximum. So the minimum is $258 times 48. So times 48 because that is the exchange rate here in the Philippines. So medyo bumaba ang exchange rate sa Pilipinas. So $258 times 48 is equals to 12,384. So not bad. So that is the minimum for monthly estimated earnings of KC Kistine Concepcion. And then meron siyang $4,100, the maximum for monthly estimated earnings, so times 48. So meron siyang 196,800 pesos. Oh, not bad. And then estimate din natin yung kanyang estimated earnings sa yearly. So she has a minimum of $3,100 times 48. So she got 148,800 pesos. So that is the minimum, and then the maximum of $49,000, $49,400 times 48. So she got 2,371,200 pesos. It's quite huge amount of money, and there's money here on YouTube. So for those who don't know, KC or Kistine KC Concepcion is the daughter of Sharon Cuneta, a megastar here in Philippines, a celebrity also, and of course her father is Gabby Concepcion, for those who don't know. So big shout out to KC or Kistine KC Concepcion. So I made this channel review or checking the estimated YouTube revenue of KC Concepcion, serve as inspirations to others who are trying to enter YouTube industry. So we already find out the estimated monthly earnings the yearly earnings. So we're going to jump to her YouTube summary or statistic, and we're going to find out how much is her daily estimated earnings of KC Concepcion. For those who are not yet subscribed to Kistine KC Concepcion, please subscribe to her YouTube channel, and she is amazing actress here in Philippines. So we're going to check her daily average of estimated earnings, video views, and subscribers. So we can find how many subscribe to her YouTube channel in one day and weekly and for the last 30 days. So in this video, you can see the estimated earnings of $4 to 67, 59, 48. So not that much, but for me as a small YouTuber, it's a big amount of money for me. So we are now here in the lower part of her summary, so we can check out how many subscribers she gained. So for daily average, she got 467 subscribers and 34,337 video views and $9 to 137 US dollar estimated earnings for one day. And then weekly average of 3,200 something subscribers with 240,359 video views, and then the estimated earnings of $60 to 961 US dollars. So that is for weekly. So as you can see, the weekly is the estimated earning for weekly is so high. And for the last 30 days, so she got 14,000 subscribers with the total video views of 1,030,104 video views, and then the estimated earnings is $258 US dollars to 4,100 US dollars. So we already computed how much is the value of the minimum and maximum estimated monthly earnings of Kistine KC Concepcion. So na convert na natin kung magkano yun siya sa peso, and for me it's a huge amount of money, guys. So there is really a money here in YouTube. So big shout out once again to Kistine KC Concepcion. So since medyo mababa yung kanyang estimated earnings, so yung mga video views niya is majority here, majority ng mga viewers niya is from the Philippines. And for those who don't know, Philippines has a low CPM or mababang CPM, kaya medyo mababa yung estimated earnings, and wala namang masyadong views. Though for me it's a huge it's a big video views. So we're going to jump for her monthly gain video views for KC Concepcion. So as you can see, she gained 783,848 video views. So that is for February. And then January of having 3,089,527. So it's a huge video views for the last month. So comparing to the current month, so medyo mababa, kaya yung kanyang percentage is kulay pula. 49.9% yung ibinaba ng kanyang video views. But anyway, so sooner or later tataas din yan sa mga bago niyang vlog. So same as sa kanyang subscribers, mababa din yung kanyang subscriber ng February compared to the January. So 72,000 yung nakuha niyang subscriber ng January, and so on and so forth. So medyo bumaba yung kanyang percentage ng subscriber this month. So ganon din yung mga previews niya, parang umaalon-alon lang. It's up and down yung subscribers na nadagdag sa kanyang YouTube channel, and of course yung video views niya, it's something like wave. So that's for today's video, and I hope you inspired to this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Ikong Rasalas. Ayan, bye bye.